Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can install Metasploitable vulnerable Linux to virtual machine in your Oracle box. So I have downloaded the file. It's actually a zip file. You can get it from this website. So after downloading on your Oracle VirtualBox, you just click on the new button, and on the name I'm just going to name it exploitable. Alright, so and that's all. Then on the type you choose Linux, then you just use Oracle Linux 64. Then you on the hard drive you can decide to leave all this as default, but I use 2048 MB for mine. You can always leave them by default. Then on the create hard drive, so you just use this, click on use an existing virtual hard disk file. Alright, so you just look for the file you want to install, then click on add. Then I'll go to where I save the file. So I'm going to just go to the folder I used. So this after you unzip it, you're going to see this particular file. It's a virtual machine file. So you double click and select choose, and you click on finish. So that's how you can install. Then starting the virtual machine, you just click on the start. So we just wait for it to power up. Okay, let me maximize this. So we'll just wait while it's loading. Alright, so for the login, you go to the website. There's a login for it, this given. So you just scroll down, and this is the login, and as well as the password. So copy in. Okay. Okay, so alright, so after loading the username and password, this was the command line where you can work on the exploitable Linux 2. So that's it on how you can install this particular virtual machine on your Oracle VirtualBox. So I hope this video helps. You can like, comment, or share, and also subscribe for more. Bye.